Hey friends, it's Chaz McNeese, aka the Sly Fox, back with another quick, impactful training for course creators to help them make more money with less headaches. Today I'm going to be going over a super quick, easy way for you to drop your overall CPA by 25% or more. That means purchases in Facebook for 25% less. It's going to be a really quick, impactful training. You'll take a lot from it, and I think you'll be able to immediately start applying it to your ad accounts and start making more money within the next 24 hours. So I'll see you on the other side. These are the 5 ad angles that all course creators need to be running in their retargeting ads to drive down their CPA across their account by at least 25%. Now, when I run these ads in the 6-figure per month ad accounts that I currently manage, the CPA for these in their actual retargeting campaigns is usually a third of what they are in the front end campaigns. And so they are significantly cheaper there, but because they will often be about 20% of your marketing budget and 30% of the purchases that you get, they will actually drive down your total CPA by 25% or more. So these are incredibly important, and I see 6-figure per month accounts that don't run them correctly all the time. So I'm going to go over really quickly the 5 buckets, how you should use them if you want this for yourself, plus templates and a document on how you set this up. Just go to my website, slyfoxmarketing.net, and you can pick it up there for $9. Okay, so the number one thing I see missing from people's retargeting ads is objection handling ads. And what are those? These are basically the reasons that people have to not purchase your course. So the most common one is the price objection. And normally what you say is the price of inaction is greater than the price of buying this, so you should buy this. But there's a multitude of ways, and it really depends on your business. But think to yourself all of the reasons that people are going to say no to your course, and then use logic to explain why those reasons either don't matter or aren't as powerful as the transformation that the course will give you is. This is classic objection handling. Once you get these nailed down here, you actually want to put them further up in your funnel, but that's for another discussion. So basically, handle any doubts that they have about purchasing in your ads after they've entered your page. The next one is FAQ, and you're going to have it on your websites a lot of times. You generally have the curse of knowledge. So people are going to have been to your website, maybe gotten an email or two, and they'll have forgotten what you're offering and the specifics of it. This is where you want to remind them about all of the little questions that people generally have after they see your product and the answers that help them cross the line. So basically, one bucket of these is basically just your FAQs put into an ad that makes it readable and fun and makes you feel excited about the transformation, which is the next thing. Number 3 is the benefit restatement angle. And there's obviously the most easiest way that you can look at this, which is you just talk about the benefits and the features of the course. You restate them because, again, these people might have only visited your website one time, might not have even gotten a single email from you, and now you're trying to sell them again. So letting them know what they would get from it and what makes it such a great course is very powerful here. But the other thing, the thing that's probably the most powerful, is there's generally an ultimate benefit from your course. The number one thing that you achieve after you finish this course, remind them of that. Remind them of what they could be, how their life could be once this course is over. Now, 4th is the one that people do a lot. They just don't vary a lot, and it's the testimonial angle. So I hear a lot that I don't have video testimonials, so I don't know how to do them. You don't need video testimonials, and in fact, written testimonials can work even better just because people don't always have the time, the capacity, or the care to watch a video. So put the testimonials, the written testimonials, not just in your ad copy, but in your ad creative. Put them in both places. Vary the way that you say them, and make sure to always take the copy from the testimonials themselves and work that into your ads here, work that into your ads at the top of the funnel, work that into your funnel itself. Everywhere that you can work the words from your actual prospects back into your marketing, it will make your marketing better. It will make it convert more. And then the last thing is the guarantee. You should be offering a guarantee. If you're not, go watch a video on it. There's a million really simple ways to, if you have a good product, offer a guarantee where you don't have to worry about refunding people all the time, where you almost never have to refund people. And the way that we do it with our clients here at Sly Fox Marketing, it actually makes it so people are more likely to finish the course by the guarantee that we give. So I'll go over that sometime in another video. But just remind them this is the risk reversal. If it doesn't work for them, if they don't like it, whatever the parameters are, it's free. It's really doing this is really free because if they don't like it, they can just give it back. So why wouldn't they take this jump? Because there's really no risk in it. You've eliminated it with the guarantee. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can present these 5 angles, which is good because you don't want to just have only 5 ads that you can work with. But these are the 5 angles that you need to include. Now, I personally have went in and done a bunch of research, with a bunch of other online course creators. I've taken templates from them, templates that have worked for my clients. I've put them all together in a nice little booklet. That's part of the Hesitation Killer Toolkit that you would get if you were to purchase this, which again is only $9 on my website. Otherwise, this should be enough to build a retargeting campaign that could easily drive down your overall meta ad CPA by 20% or more. As always, if you have any questions, leave them on the video. Feel free to email me, reach out. I would love to chat with any of you. And as always, I wish you more profit and less headaches. Bye bye.